Wants to learn Indonesian vocabulary with the language app. We are developing an app that works better than the traditional apps, just teaching words or phrases. The concept or format that we use is the question and answer format. We everything we teach is questions and answers. You always have the picture as a hint, and then paired with the question, you get a better understanding of the context. And then what you do is you give the answer in four different modes. Here, the one you see here is the right mode. More about modes later. We have the question explanation after answering. You see the grammar explanation for the question and the answer. Here is an example about capitals, and the example is actually from the English Finnish course, and we have the explanations of each word in the question and answer, and after that we have some facts about, in this case, the capital of Armenia, Yerevan, and also about the etymology. In the same way, we try to include explanations for each question. There will be more than 80 topics, and from beginner topics that you see here, greetings, colors, weekdays, months, to more advanced ones like capitals, countries, flags, currencies, languages, national anthems. Like you can see, not all of them have even icons. The application is currently under development, and it will be only in Finnish and English first, but more about that later. So you also see here the buttons learn and review. Learn shows how many questions that topic has in total and how many you have learned. And review, you can press that and learn, like review the learned questions again. So, an SRS system. The questions are divided into easy and hard. For example, if we have easy as a difficulty for the topic weekdays, we might have a question like this: what day comes after Monday? The answer is Tuesday. Tuesday comes after Monday. So you can see the picture as a hint. And hard, in this difficulty, you might have a question like this for the topic weekdays. What are the days of the weekend in Brunei? And you would learn here that the days of the weekend in Brunei are Friday and Sunday. In the same way, you might learn that Thursday is named after Thor in Germanic languages and many other things. In a similar way, you learn everything about, like all the basics about 80 topics and general knowledge and more advanced stuff in the hard difficulty. So, like I said earlier, we have four different modes, and now I'm going to show how it looks with Indonesian. So, English, Indonesian. I don't have that many topics available yet, but let's check the weekdays, for example. Multi option. We have the question, no, the picture, the question, four options, and the incomplete answer, which shows what is missing. And we can toggle these to see. Oh, something happened. We can see the translations in your source language. And after choosing the answer, you see the complete answer here. And you can toggle it and press the audio buttons as well. In fill in blank or the right mode, you have the picture, the question similarly, but and also the incomplete answer. So you just need to type your answer. And the hint button gives you one letter at a time, and you can use it as much as you want in the vocabulary practice mode. And when you're ready, you press check. That's how it works. Unscramble the phrases with these word tiles. We have the picture, the question, and then scrambled word tiles that you have to use to form the phrase, the answer. And that's how it works. After answering, you see the answer. You can toggle the translation, and that's it. And if we would have the explanation, it would appear here, the explanation button as well. But now we don't have it yet. And in the listen and speak mode,
Hari
we
apa
have the
yang datang setelah Senin?
picture. We would normally hear the audio automatically if we had the audio file, but we don't have it yet. Reveal question text button shows the question in text, and then you just press and hold to record your answer. And after that, you would see your answer. Let's try. Selasa, like this. So here you can see the answer you recorded and the match percentage. You can also say the whole phrase as an answer. So like I said, first languages will be Finnish and English. After that, Russian and Ukrainian. And it's up to you if Indonesian or other languages come after that. We will add languages based on the demand, and it will cost probably something beginning from 10,000 to 20, 30,000, depending on the language, uh, because we will hire translators to do the job. So that will cost. In the beginning, we only have vocabulary practice mode, which you saw here. We will also later have other practice modes and also some challenge modes where you can play together with your friend in one versus one battle and many others as well. And the app will not have a premium subscription. That's why we have the YouTube channel where we will go through all the lessons in Indonesian or whatever language on other channels and share the lessons and their content there with a native speaker. But if you're interested in the app, the monthly subscription will be €3, the yearly one, €12. So that's only €1 per month. And if you are a super fan, that would be 1,000. But I know it's pretty much, but the monthly and yearly ones are really not, they're really generous compared to the competitors. So let us know if you want to test the app or interested being a user in the future. You will find our waiting list link in the video description. And if you're not interested, just check out our free YouTube videos.